Subscribe Smart Tech Magic's channel and hit the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch latest tech videos before anyone else. Hello friends, myself Darshan Kumar Dash. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tech Magics. In this video I'm going to show you how to boot a Raspbian OS on Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. So without any further delay, let's begin. So friends, before showing you how to boot up the Raspbian OS, let me say you the basic requirements for this task. As the title goes, so obviously you need a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus model. Then you need to have at least 16GB size 10 class micro SD card, then mobile charger, which is also called micro USB to USB cable, HDMI to VGA converter, the monitor, keyboard and the mouse. That's it. So now let's come to the main part. So here we go. So at first you need to download the Raspbian OS from its site. So search on Google and type here Raspbian OS. So now you need to click on the first link which says download Raspbian for Raspberry Pi. So click on here. Now click on this downloads. Now here select noobs. As you are booting up for the first time, so it's better you select noobs. Now here you need to select these noobs. I would recommend you to go for this option which says download torrent rather than this, because if you download it via torrent then the download speed will be higher and you can download it much faster. As I have already having this torrent application, so I'm downloading it from the download torrent. So here just click on open. As I am using Microsoft Edge browser, so this open option came. But if you are using Chrome or any other browser, then this option might not have. So the torrent opens. Anyways, yeah, you can see Noobs is downloading. So within 1 hour 46 minutes is saying, but the download speed increases after some time. So within 6 minutes the files are completely downloaded. You can see Noobs feed 3.2.1 zip. Now we will open this zip. So open containing folder, click on here. And now this is the folder, I mean the zip file that I have downloaded just now. You need to extract it. Right click, then click on extract all, click on extract. Within few minutes, rather few seconds, these files will be extracted. So it gets completely unzipped, as you can see, and these are all the files. This is the unzipped folder. Now we need to copy all these files to the SD card. So now I'll be inserting the SD card that will be used to boot up this Raspberry Pi. So here we go. Now I will put this micro SD card. As I have already told you, need 10 class SD card, and this is it, and 16GB micro SD card. Putting it inside the card reader. You can also use SD card adapter. Anyways, now before copying files to SD card, we need to format it. This is the SD card that we have just inserted using the card reader. So right click on the SD card drive, 14.5GB free of 4.5GB. Anyways, now right click and click on format to format it completely. So format, start. Okay, you can see it's completely formatted. Now go to the folder where you have the files. Now here it's the Noobs folder. These are all the files that we need to copy it. So just click on select all, copy, and now paste it on your SD card. Paste it here, it's pasting. Within few minutes the whole file will be copied to your SD card. So within 10 minutes all the files are copied here. So just close the file manager, close everything, every application, I mean the browsers and all, and shut down your PC. Just shut it down. Now just open up your monitor, keyboard and mouse from your CPU and connect it to your Raspberry Pi. So let's do it. So let's open it up. Now I will connect all these ports, that is the keyboard port, mouse and the monitor port with Raspberry Pi. So let's do it. Now this is the memory card where we have copied the required Raspbian OS files. Now I'll put this memory card inside the Raspberry Pi. So here we go. Now using this HDMI to VGA converter, I will connect the monitor with my Raspberry Pi. And this is the HDMI port of my Raspberry Pi. So I'm connecting it. You have to make the connection tight enough, because in loose connection your Raspberry Pi will not boot up. So it's almost done. Now using this converter, I will connect my monitor. Now this monitor cable is connected to the back of this monitor, as many of you know, or if you don't know, I am showing you. This is the cable connected to the HDMI VGA converter, and it's connected to the Raspberry Pi. And this is the power source for the monitor. Now we will connect the mouse and keyboards. Now we are almost done. So I'm connecting the charger. I will also have to connect the monitor power source. Now switching on the monitor as well as the Raspberry Pi. You can see a light is blinking, and our Raspberry Pi is booting up. You can see a light is blinking on our Raspberry Pi. And our PC starts. You can see here it says Raspbian full recommended and library elect RPI 2, but I would recommend you to install both of these. And at the bottom you can see disk space available 12,430 MB, which is roughly around 12 GB anyways, and needed 0 MB. I mean, I haven't selected anything, so it says 0 MB. As I have told you, I would recommend you to install both of them because both of them are necessary. I have selected both of them and it says needed 7045 MB and available 12430 MB, and the language English UK, keyboard 9 GB. All these leave it as default, and now simply click on install. Now warning, this will install selected operating system. All existing data in the drive will be overwritten, including any OSs that are already installed. A confirmation dialog box is coming out. You just simply click on yes. It will take 90 minutes to completely install the full operating system, the full Raspbian OS, which is around 1.5 hours. By this time you can complete your pending work, or you can take a nap instead of waiting in front of your PC or monitor, whatever you like to say. So anyways, it's installing. So it says OS yes installed successfully. So now just simply click on OK. Here it says select the OS to boot. Now here you simply click on Raspbian full, a port of Debian with desktop recommended connections. Anyways, click here and press enter. Oh yes, it has finally installed. We have finally successfully installed Raspberry Pi. Simply click on next. It says change password. If you wish to change your password, then you can change it, or you can simply click on next and think this is black borders around the desktop. And next, simply skip. It shows again. Okay, you can click on next. Anyways, it says your Raspberry Pi is now set, ready to go. Restart. Things will take effect. You can simply go on later also if you want. Now you can also connect your Raspberry Pi to Wi-Fi connections. Let me show you that thing also. Probably it will be yes. Just turn off Wi-Fi. This is my home Wi-Fi. I'm connecting it to here. Now you share key, or you can, it is password. So I'm typing password. So I've typed my Wi-Fi password, and let's see whether it connects to the Wi-Fi or not. Okay, it's taking time. Oh wow, it has finally been connected. Let me show you the proof. This is the default browser of this OS. Wow, see the interface. Wow, the default browser is Chromium. That's interesting. Welcome to Chromium. Let me search my channels name. Yeah, the default search engine is, see, it's completely searched. So you can see that we have connected and we can enjoy the internet. So anyways guys, this is how you can install Raspbian OS on your Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it. And on the bell icon, select all to watch my latest videos before anyone else. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, goodbye.
to town, from London to Taiwan.